Hey guys, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing well. This is Arizonaedc, bringing you that heat. You already know. Today was a good day. I had a nice little haul. Nothing too crazy, but it's all over the place when it comes to what I find. Um, as you guys know, I love baseball. I like I like some of those guns, and I like multi-tools. I like any tool really. um so and Pokemon. I say it like that, just joking around, but that's just how it is. Being the family man that I am, I'm all over the place. I got Hello Kitty 1 second, I got Pokemon the next, and baseball the next, and I'm all over the place. So let's start it off. Again with a couple announcements. My stickers did come through. I do have them. A couple of you guys have reached out, and I reached out to a couple of you guys, you also. So let's go ahead and get that started. I appreciate you guys. It's exciting. Can't wait to fill up this board right here and revamp it, I guess you can say. Take off that big old paper that I printed and actually get some stickers up there. So this is what I got. I'm a rookie, so this is what I got done. I gotta get another logo started and more hip. So that's that. My giveaway, the knife has been ordered. I will keep saying it and hounding you guys because I truly want everyone to be involved. I don't want some random person that never been on the page to win, and I know it's a chance that can happen, but the more of you guys that do watch and that are involved, the better. The odds are that one of the people in our in our in our community wins. So that's that. If you haven't yet liked the video, please subscribe, comment, and share it. It's all appreciated. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into the first thing I found this weekend, and this thing right here. It's a book. It's a pretty awesome little book. Check it out. Jane's Pocketbook of Pistols and Submachine Guns. It's very cool. It's in good condition. I'm gonna leave the plastic on it. It says it was $6.95, and when I did some research online, I didn't find it for anywhere near that price. I'm trying to see when this was actually printed. Let's see if there's any cool pictures in this one. Got the glossary. Look at that guy. Pretty cool. Right? Look at that guy. These look cool to me. What do you guys think? Look at that. So these are all machine guns and pocket pistols. It's crazy. Submachine guns. Look at that guy. That's crazy. Very cool, guys. What do you guys think? We can go through this whole thing, but Little pocket book. I would truly like to see a date, and I'm not seeing one. Here we go. Here's the page. Alright, copyright 1976. Pretty old right there. Not too old, but you know, I don't want to offend anyone. If that's your year, that's your year, you know. So here's the second thing I found. Not as serious, but I did have this. I didn't film it yet, but look at this guy. It's a keychain, but it has bits inside. Look at that. Look at the front. You can swap them out, the bits, and tighten it up. I think I could clean it up and put a better key ring on it and take care of it a little. I think it's pretty cool. I think it got a couple bits in there. Very cool, very cool. That's 3 bits. They go in the front. Let's put one on there. Let me see how this thing works. Trying to check it out behind the camera. Oh, broke it. No, there we go. There we go. And then you have your flathead, or your Phillips. Sound effects. Oh, man, that's very cool. It's not Ultim, guys. It's before Ultim was around. Pretty cool, right? Now, on to the next thing. Very cool finds, you know. Very cool, very cool. We can leave them out and about. Let's see the next item. The next item is this necklace right here. And as a baseball fan, don't ask me how. What are the odds of me finding it, right? I seen the baseball and I was like, ooh, what's that? And I look it up and I see stuff online and some kind of trophy or award. It has some engraving in it right there. You guys see that? Oh. Can you make it out? Let me see if I can make it out. FMP. Oh wow, this is GUAM. There's other writing on it too, but and it says, oh wow, 1949 on there. You guys see that? It's in 1949 on the. I didn't see that part when I got it. You guys see it? The light's kind of reflecting exactly what I want you guys to see. Let's see. Oh, it's right across the front right here. It says 1949. Very cool, right? It says silver on it too. It says 925 on the chain, so, and then the ball. So it's a silver pennant charm. It's 1949. And last but not least, this is what you guys been waiting for. Another knife. And this was probably the cheapest thing. There's a whole bunch. Actually, no, that was cheap. Let's put the chain up here. Sorry. Next one. Let's see what it is. It's all put together, not missing anything, so that's a good sign. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Gotta clean this bad boy up. Oh, it tells you right there. Colonial. USA. That's good. Do you guys know anything about this thing? Let me know what it's called, where it's from, what do you think about it. Let's see the other side. Any more engravings in there? Nothing that I can see. I always wonder when I see these kind of knives why they left the little square boxes for people to engrave in there themselves, or just a plain box right there, nothing ever in it. Is this for customization purposes or what? But it always got me thinking, you know. Oof, that thing is hard to open. Let's see. Not bad. This is the one. Still good, guys. I'll clean it up. So, there you have it. We got a blade, we got a tool, we got a book, we got a baseball pennant or a necklace. Hitting on all levels today. What do you guys think? You know, what are you guys' thoughts? Do you guys enjoy seeing other items? I know, you know, I like to share the items because they're pretty cool. For the most part, you guys seem pretty interested in at least seeing some of the stuff. I don't tend to stick on one item too long, so if you didn't like one of them, I'm sure you could still hold on for the stay tuned for the little part of the show and keep it moving, you know. I like going to the antique shops, you know. I like finding stuff. It's cool. You never know what you're gonna find. You never know. You know, some of those antique shops, some of the dealers buy the other dealer's stuff and then they mark it up. It's always fun to find this stuff and you see the other dealer's face and it drops. Like, how did you find that first? But hey, you gotta keep your eyes peeled, you know. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys for your support. As I said earlier on the video, the stickers are here, ready for us to get moving on that. The giveaways on, it's in the works, so it's getting started. So as soon as I make that video, I'm thinking Monday at the latest, we'll get it started, guys. Sooner the better, and I'll get that shipped out ASAP. So please like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you want to reach me, if you're interested in anything like the sticker swap, or like if you have any questions, you can reach me at Arizonaedc@gmail.com. A few of you guys have reached out to me, so I appreciate it. You can find me on Instagram. My link is in my bio, my YouTube bio, and same with TikTok. I don't get on it that much, but Instagram, you can find me on there. I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate you guys all. Stay tuned. A lot of good things coming in the future. This is Arizona EDC. Signing out, guys. See ya.